Israeli jets missile exploding Damascus and Aleppo International Airport in Syria. After becoming aware of export from Syria of the S-300 Air Defense System Division, which covered the western, central and northern parts of the Arab Republic from rocket attacks and Israeli Air Force raids, the IDF aviation unleashed one of the most powerful attacks on Syria in recent years. Aleppo International Airport was initially attacked, and then Damascus International Airport was also attacked. According to sources, the strikes were carried out both from Syrian airspace and from Israeli airspace. Syrian sources are spreading the relevant video, claiming that it shows multiple Israeli airstrikes on the airport in Aleppo. On the video frames, you can see the strongest gaps, which according to some reports, are caused by the exact hit of Israeli missiles in the ammunition depot, and missiles delivered to the territory of the Arab Republic from Iran. It is noteworthy that the attacks on the Aleppo International Airport were carried out a few minutes before the landing of the Iranian military cargo plane, after which the latter was urgently redirected to Damascus International Airport, which was already subjected to no less fierce strikes when the Iranian plane approached. According to Syrian sources, Syrian air defense systems were able to intercept at least 4 Israeli missiles. However, so far there are no facts confirming this information. Is it true? What do you think? Let's war on comments.